Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 15th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock. We are going to look at the stock from a technical analysis perspective, looking at the stock chart of the prices and see how they make patterns, and we are going to try to understand those patterns as soon as they occur so that we can position ourselves and make money. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, make your own decisions. I'm only here to give you one ingredient in your own recipe of investing. So Palantir, very disappointed. I cannot hide it. I'm very disappointed in Palantir today. Closed at 24.41, down 59 cents, down 2.36%. We had such a great day yesterday. We broke out of our double resistance, at 24.50, and I have always a hard time with this one. 24.60, is that it? 24.60, let me check to be sure. Yeah, 24.80. Okay, sorry, 24.80. Very disappointing. Post-market up 1 cent. Hoo-hoo, I feel better now. No. Let's look at the NASDAQ 100 technology sector. Maybe that's the cause of it, because we've been trending sideways on the NASDAQ 100 technology sector. Look at this. We reached yesterday a peak, and we touched the top of a channel, and we've been down today. So NASDAQ was down almost 1%. Palantir 2%. So the only way I can explain it is that we are still in some kind of a consolidation. We touched support. Look at the bottom of the candle. The bottom of the candle almost perfectly touched 24.50. So the stock tried to go upwards. Look at this. We had a higher high today than yesterday, and also higher than the high we made on June 8th. So some people bought at a higher price. So that's a good news. That's a good news. Before, they were not willing to buy at that higher price, but now they were. And in terms of the low, well, we pretty much, well, no. I was trying to say we matched the low of yesterday, but we went a little bit lower. But we went much higher in terms of the high. So there's a little bit of a push there. But from a wick perspective, we have a longer wick at the top. So we see that the stock was kind of slammed down a little bit. So it's very hard for the stock to just go and run. Run, Forest, run. That's all we want you to do. Let's look at the hourly chart. So hourly chart today, so at 9:30, well, went up. Look at this. So we thought, well, if you looked at it during the first hour, we could have thought, hey, we are going up, great. Then boom, went down sideways, then down, and almost, well, let's say that we touched 24.50. So let's hope it's just a little pause, and that Palantir will recover. I am seeing something else that I might draw. I don't know if it's my eyes that are making me do this, but you see, there's a little bit of a something here. Maybe. Sometimes we see things and sometimes we don't. So maybe we are entering this new, and I can get rid of these ones here a little bit to make them less important visually, because we don't need them as much anymore. We needed them at some point in time. But see, we have this line, I'm touching this candle May 7th, touching this one also May 18th, May 27th. So see, I'm touching several candles here. Several candles. These ones almost, this one almost perfectly, and this one almost perfectly. So maybe what is happening now is that we had a pretty steep bull trend here since May 11th, and the stock followed that for quite a while, and now maybe we are just going up but at a slower pace. So this is a hypothesis, and it's okay to have hypotheses and try to test them. So maybe I'm gonna do it like this, something like this. Yeah, maybe something like this. So maybe we are going into a slower channel, slower upward channel. And if I was right, we are going to see something else tomorrow. We are going to see some green candle tomorrow, and then we can check this this new channel and see if it will be obeyed by the stock. Let me just paint that one in fuchsia. So let's look at the indicators. Indicators are still super good. This is what is a heartbreaker. So stochastic at 80, super bullish, MACD super bullish, and DMI super bullish. So we just have to be a little bit more patient, because nothing really is telling me that the trend has dramatically changed. It has not dramatically changed. It slowed down a little bit. We had the congestion a little bit, but everything else seems okay for Palantir to deploy its wings. I'm having a hard time with that expression. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I produce a Palantir and video and Tesla video every single day. If you subscribe, you will see them in your feed. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. I read all of your comments, and I enjoy actually reading all of your comments. Maybe not all, but most of them. We have a Discord server, we have a Patreon account, and we also have a TradingView affiliate link, which is a great tool, and that affiliate link can help you save up to $30 on the paid plan. So it's fantastic. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.